Experience the premier student housing choice at USC HSC. Right where you want to be, Currie Hall is located on the USC Health Sciences Campus and directly across from Keck Medical Hospital, giving you walk-to-class convenience. Get the lifestyle you want with amenities like our recreational center with billiard and ping pong tables and a multimedia gaming area. Take a dip in our swimming pool and hot tub, cook up some barbecue with our professional grills, or enjoy incredible views from our sky terrace. Jumpstart your day at our cold brew coffee bar, or focus on your fit and healthy student lifestyle in our state-of-the-art fitness center, featuring strength equipment, cardio machines, and free weights. Our 24-hour Academic Success Center offers you the tools to succeed, including an iMac bar, group and private study lounges, and Wi-Fi throughout the community. Designed with you in mind, our fully furnished apartments have a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, leather-style sectional sofas, private bedrooms and bathrooms, and hardwood-style flooring throughout. It's the perfect space to entertain and socialize when you want, and plenty of privacy when you don't. Our professional on-site management and staff are dedicated to serving your needs and helping you enjoy your college experience at the University of Southern California's Health Sciences Campus. Learn more at americancampus.com/Currie Hall.